Get dressed with me kasi meron tayong photo shoot. Pero hindi tayo ipa-photoshoot. Tayo yung photographer for today. So, kahit na bumabagyo, it's 7:37 a.m. in the morning. We are going to Salcedo, Makati. So, hopefully bukas pa rin yung Salcedo Market. So, for my pants, I'll just be using this jorts na pabago. So, ganyan siya. Yan siya, guys. And for my top, this one's from TikTok shop. This is in the shade Espresso. Yung, kalimutan ko kung anong shop to, sorry. Super, I love it. And this is gonna be my first time to wear this. Okay? There you go. My fit for our Salcedo prenup shoot. Pero hindi ako yung ipiprenup, guys. Kayong ano dyan. I'm gonna be the photographer because I have a photography business. Parang ano siya, no? Yung dun sa may stretchy part niya, parang nagiging manipis siya. Kita niyo yung pagkakaano? Weird. But anyway, for my shoes, gusto ko sana this one or this one. Ito yung pinaka-pinaplan ko talaga kung umaraw. Eh, dahil slippery siya, may pagka, ano siya, yung parang made out of very pure plastic. So, dito lang din yan sa TikTok shop. Ganyan siya, guys, oh. Ang ganda sana, 'di ba? Kaya lang yun nga. Ano siya, plastic. So, kapag i-shoot ko na sila, so baka naman madulas ako. So, let's just use this, okay? So, ayan siya, guys. Ganda, 'di ba? Anyway, this is the final fit for today.